Ready?
Mm-mm.
What do birds eat?
Hop.
What do birds eat?
Sit.
What do we eat?
Boot.
Birds don't eat that. They eat seeds.
Sit.
No, that's a bad word.
That's not a bad word.
Yes, it
We
is.
should put this on YouTube.
Yes, that is a bad word, Randy Joe.
Don't eat. Don't eat.
Them don't eat.
No.
What do birds eat?
Don't eat anything.
They don't eat anything.
Nope.
What do we eat?
Secrets.
Shoes?
Secrets.
Stickers?
Secrets.
Snickers?
Secrets.
Sickers?
Secrets.
Stinkers?
Secrets.
Circles? What do we eat? Sneakers?
No, think the big picture.
Seagulls? We eat seagulls? We don't eat seagulls.
Yes, we do.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do. Can you give me some more? Some more lemonade. Some more in the fridge.